Okay, good evening, everybody.
Good evening,
So,
sir.
yeah, who is Alex? Alex, what happened to you yesterday? I think
Good
yesterday
evening,
you
sir.
were not there.
I don't make excuses, but I actually overslept, sir.
Okay. So, could you follow the video which was sent?
Yes, sir. It was easy,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, great. So, any persons are having any doubts in the yesterday's class?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So shall I conduct a small test for yesterday's class? Let me see how many of you are. I want it to be very interactive. Anil, are you getting the classes? Anil, Anil, please unmute. Anil, are you there?
Hello, sir.
Yes, are you getting the classes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So, first of all, before starting, as usual, like yesterday, we did not do it because anyway, it is just we are demonstrating with the R functions. So, go to session and set working directory. The thing is that in the from the next class onwards, this directory will mean a lot. Okay. So let me give you some few small tests for you. Let me see how you are doing it. So that will be a revision from yesterday's class also. So I want you to print the numbers 21 to 30 without without assigning the all the numbers together. And not by using by 21 is to 30. 1 minute, I will do in a second. Next line. Okay, so how will you do it without 21, 22, 23 till 30 without doing that and without using this command 21 to 30? How will you do it?
Sequence function.
Sorry?
Sequence function.
Extension.
Tell me the code for that.
SEQ. We can all assign a variable, or we can just write SEQ and
SEQ.
open brackets from whatever number to whatever number. Like here, you have given 21, comma 30. Close brackets and run.
And run. Okay, so if I have to assign anything like any value, say for example x, so it will take so let us see what has taken in x. So it is 21 to 30. Very good. Okay. So next you want to add add letter A before the numbers. How will you do it? Everybody please do it. Let me see. And share the screenshot in the group, everybody. No need to tell me. Let me see what you are doing it. So did you all understand the question? So you have to put like A21, A22, A23 like that. Please do it. Let me see. And share the screenshot in the group. And you are free to see the codes of yesterday, because yesterday I was doing it. So far nobody has. Yeah, one Chinmay has sent. Let me see what he has done. Very good. This is Alex. Alex has shared the video along with that. Okay, it is big. The letters have become very small.
So like cropped and sent, sir.
No, it's okay. I maximized to the. Okay, it is fine. Oh, you are following the video. You should have asked the code, or you could have asked somebody the codes yesterday. Because I think you are referring the video of yesterday and sending it. Okay, others, Chinmay and Alex, others, there are how many persons are here? 21. Excluding me, there should be 20. So at least all the 20 persons should post this message. Ravani.
So that's not yesterday's video, sir. That's today's class.
Oh, that is today's class. Okay. Okay, Shravan is right. This is Gayatri. Okay. Others? Who is this? Pranati. Pranati, please post the codes. You have pasted the you have sent the globe environment.
Yes, sir. Send the codes.
Code is not here. Okay, Shruti is correct. Others? Okay. Okay. So others? Still, there are so many people who did not send it. Okay, I will put it anyway. So can do it in this manner. So already I have taken the value as x, so I can do it as y. So you can use the paste function. So letter A I have given, specified A, and here since I have used x here, x and SCP,
So R equals SCP equals space.
Oh yeah, good. Thank you. Good. This is what I expect from you. So if at all even I am doing mistake, you should point it out. Okay. Now I want to enter some this one string characters like names. So I can so make a list of 10 cities. How will you do that?
Concatenation function, and we'll assign it string.
Yeah, do it. Do it. Okay, this is to some extent one list I have created. So what I want from you is merge these two data sets.
Which two data sets, sir? The numbers and the cities?
Numbers and the this one cities. Okay. So what was the function I had told last day?
Yes, sir.
Do it. So are there 10 cities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me see. You can put it in the group again. This one. Sai Divya, just check it out. You have given Y. It is assign your operator paste AX, then SCQ you have given. Just check it out once. It should be SCP. Sai Divya.
Yes, sir. I'm recorrecting it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can take any cities. I have no, it is not like to take the same cities. Who is this person? I told names of the cities, some of the states are also there. Okay, it is fine. Anyways. No, this is who is it? Rajapriya. Don't use this function. You have used cbind. Don't use cbind. No, use the other function.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Because I have told here, merge the numbers and the cities one below the other. You have put it beside each other. I told only the numbers. This is who is this Alex? I told only the numbers. You have taken numbers along with the letters.
At first, I wanted to put numbers, then I was wondering what was the error. Finally, I understood that name was names and not without
Yeah.
S.
Alex, please do not take a screenshot of both the video and this art together. The letters become very small.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Use the video later after the class.
Sir, that is the class, sir.
Huh? Okay, okay.
The class is going on the right. I'm doing it on the left, sir.
Oh, okay. So use the function names. So what I want before, if I want the cities before cities, I can leave a Z. Then if I give here as X, okay. So now if I want, so how what Alex has done, if I do in this manner, that is also fine. Anyways, it will be an, so if I make it as Y, so it will take numbers with the letters. So again Z, okay, both ways you can do it. And Raja Priya has done it, she has done C bind. C bind also because it will take one together. That is in the vertical C bind function. So if I do it here, and there is Z is already taken, B, C, D. C bind X comma Y, not X comma Y. What I have, what are the values I have put here?
Z and X.
Z and okay, X, okay. X and Z. X, what is X for me? X is the numbers, okay. X and Z, comma Z. No, Z it will take a, no is Z. It will be a problem. It will be a problem if I take Z now. See, what is the problem? It will happen.
So because you've already assigned Z to.
Yeah, that is the problem. So for me, I will get a different answer. See, like this, I will get. So three values together I have got for here. That's why I told I will get a different answer if I put Z. So what I have to do is, so for getting the answer, I have to first click here, run the Z, then I should do here C bind. Yes. Okay, this is how you can play with R. So whatever values or numbers you want, you can take it. Okay. So C bind also, everybody please do it. C bind, though I did not tell you, one person already did with C bind. You can also use the same function.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am not getting any output.
Why you are
From
not
the
getting
beginning.
output?
I don't know,
Why?
sir.
Don't know. Share your screen. How it is possible?
Okay, sir.
Everybody is getting output, and I have made, and everybody is responding. Share your screen. Let me see.
Sir, can you please allow me?
Yes, it is allowed.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Sir, I
So,
don't know. I typed in the console also, but I'm not getting any output.
why? First, you take your cursor, click on sec on the top. Click on sec. Oh yeah, there. Okay, from to function you have taken. Okay. First, you click on there, sec. Oh, what is this? Okay, there is some problem with your. Okay, you have to close the R and do it again because that executions function it is not coming yet. It has gotten stuck somewhere.
Okay.
Your R, that is why it is not happening.
Okay.
You can go to that session in the top session, and there there is option called restart R.
Okay.
Yes, it is the R has got stuck somewhere because of some function. It has got stuck, so that is why it is not happening.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so from the cities, I want you to print the 4 letters from the cities. Print 4 letters from the cities. So what actually yesterday I told you one function. There is one more function also. So do it everybody. Let me see. Divya, are you getting? Divya is there? Divya,
Yes, sir.
are you getting?
No, sir. I'm not getting. No, sir.
No, why?
See,
Oh,
it's showing that it's just quitting the R session.
okay,
I don't know how long it will take.
it will take some time. After you close the app, then it is better you close the app, then again you open it.
Okay, sir.
One more function is there. I just tell you that. So you can use this abbreviate function also. So in that abbreviate function, the difference is you will get the both the full names as well as the small, that is the minimum characters. So you can use this function abbreviate. Okay. Operator paste AX. Okay, so let us start with the list now. I hope everybody is getting it. Any doubt with anybody? Divya? Are you able to restore the R session?
No, sir, it's still showing the same.
Okay. Then you use this Alt Control Delete and end the R session, and again you open the R. Because R, that is the one problem. Once you are closing it, it will take time for closing. As well as it takes time for loading also. Okay. Still, if you are not able to do it, you call me tomorrow morning. You can sit for a class.
Okay, sir.
So let us start the today's class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yesterday we had created one data set called temperature. Try to create it again. You can you can create it with any values. Temperature, any value, say for example, so any Fahrenheit degrees you can take it. Suppose 98.1, 99, 100, 97.6, 102, what all you can give, 96 you can give. Okay, anyway, it is just the numbers. 104, 99.5, 98.7. Okay, so this is one data set you have created. It is for temperature. What happened? Put the quotation marks. What happened?
Sir, concatenation functions.
Oh, C is not there. Something is wrong. That's why. Yeah. Okay. So you can use the matrix function. See what happens. Yeah, it will give a problem because I gave the number of rows as 5. That is what problem happened. It took from the beginning. So see what it is doing here. Say like 98.1, then 99, then 100, then 97, then 102, 96, 104, 99.5, then 98.7, then one more value is there. So this value, it is not getting it, that is why the error has come. Okay. because I gave us number of rows as 5. If at all I had given one more value, it would have been taken. So that is why so we have created one matrix. What happened is that since it is not getting anything after 98.7, it has taken the first number and it has given a warning message. Okay, so you have created the matrix. Any doubts so far? So you can just take the class. What is the class of the temperature? Do it and see. So right here. So it is numeric. Okay. So you have like numeric string and all, these are the classes. Here it is like it is numeric class you are getting. Okay, so let's move on.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I didn't understand, sir. You are getting 9 and the multiple. I did not get that part, sir. How I did not get it.
Well, which part you did not get?
Sir, why is it showing length 9 is not submultiple of the number?
Yeah, so 5 can be divided by 9.
No, sir. I have taken 10 values and still it is showing the same result.
Why? Just check it out. How many numbers are there?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I missed.
Yeah, that is a data length 9 is not a sum multiple or multiple of the number of rows 5. That is the error warning message I have got. So if it is 10, it will not be there.
Yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
Got it, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we are using matrix only for the odd numbers, or is it how it is used, or it can be used even for 10 numbers also?
It can be used. The thing is, matrix I given as row for 5. So 5 rows it has taken. Okay, and 2 columns. That is what matrix function is. So it has taken in this manner. 98, 99, 100 and so on.
Okay.
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 And what mistake was happened was I gave you a number of rows as 5. So, but since there are only 9 numbers, that is why the error has come. If it was 10 numbers, errors would not have come. So it has taken 5 each in both the sides.
Yes.
So first 5 in the first row, sorry, first column, and second 5 in the second column.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now create a data set, one more data set you can create. Okay, so let us do it in this manner. Let us explore this data set temperature. So what I have done is I have taken the second value. Second value it is 99. Okay, let us explore this data set, the matrix which you have created. Okay, so I took the second value. So first of the second row, first column it has taken. So now this is, let us do in this manner, temperature 2:5. Let us see what it takes. So from 2 to 5, it has taken 99, 100, 97, 102. Just take a temperature -2. So here it has taken from
Sir, -2 as in? Sir, how is it taken minus?
it has not taken it has taken from the 2 till all the numbers, the remaining others. Starting from the 2, it has taken all the numbers. From the second number, it has taken all the numbers. Okay. So let us take a second data set. Already we have a data set in the top. We can explore that same data set again. So we have created actually in the top some data sets. Here you have X and X and Z is here. Problem is that X is here and Z it is taken the same values. So let us do it one more data set. Let us create it for Y. X and Y. So give it the same numbers. So 11 to 20. Okay. Oh, one missed. What I did is I just took both capital X and capital Y. That is all. Okay, you can take it on your own.
Okay, sir.
So create the data set. So you can use the C bind. It is that you can also use a small letters. It is up to you. Only thing is that the value should be the same. That is, it is both places. It should be 10. Otherwise, some mistake error will come. Error message you will get it. So give one more function R bind. So see R bind how it has taken. So in the horizontal manner it has taken. In the C bind it is taken in the vertical manner. In the R bind it has taken in the horizontal manner. So take one more function. Do you want me to put the codes in the chat box or it is fine?
Sir, it's fine, sir.
It is fine. Okay. Other is call names. So column names you have X and Y. Take it, everybody. So I have given like X, I have given as 21 to 30, Y I have given as 11 to 20. Then I have given one function cbind. Cbind it has taken vertically, and then I have given as rbind. Rbind it has taken horizontally. So take this part, then I will move further.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
so what is the reason behind that cbind has taken all the data as vertically and rbind has taken all the data as horizontally?
That is the functions.
Okay, only
It
the
is no reason. These are the functions. If you give it, it will take.
Okay.
These are the general all functions.
Sir, here letters is another variable you have assigned, sir.
1 minute. Yes, letters not very. Well, will not take it here. 1, 10. Yeah. So what was the error here, that there are 10 rows which was created. So that is why it was the error coming. So now you can see here there are 10 for the each of the 10 rows. I have given the letters from A to A to J. That are the 10 letters. That was the mistake happened. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because what initially I should have given here as 5. That's why I took 5. But it was a 10 rows which already created. Okay.
Sir, letter is a function, sir.
Sorry?
Letters is a function.
Letters function. So first 10 letters, in the sense you have the Roman letters from the, if you give the letter function, it will take the letters from any numbers whichever you choose. So 1 to 10 it I have given. So you can give any other series, like if you are giving 2 to 11 you can give it, then it should be like 10. Since it is 10 rows, it will take the 10 rows in that manner. Letters function, if you use it, it will take the letters.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Instead of numbers, you take letters.
Yes. Corresponding to the numbers, it has taken the letters. So let us do more manipulations using this XY table. So I gave here XY 3 comma 2. So 3, this is 3 is the third row and the column is 2. Okay. Third row, second column. So if we just keep only the row, see what happens. So it has taken both the, just I gave here only 3, that is the third row. So it came as 23 comma 13. Again I gave the minus 2. It has taken only the rows X, and it has deleted the all the values of Y. So minus 2, second column it has deleted. Okay. So he will give some other functions. Let me see. So what is the temperature? Okay, yeah. So you can give the sort function and see what happens. Sort to the only one series. So you have don't give it in a group. Say for example, because your X and Y is already sorted. So give it for the temperature. Sort temperature. So it will sort the temperature from the ascending to the descending order. Why you could have given for X and Y? Because it is in the ascending order. So it will, even if you do it, it will not be changing. The sort function it will take from the ascending to the descending order.
Yes.
So if you do sort in the other way around, how you can do it? Decreasing. So other way around, it is the descending to the ascending order in the reverse way. So sort temperature decreasing T. T means true. So I have given the order class, order function. So for each and every values, it has taken the order. So give one function.
This is rounding off, sir.
Yes, yes. Both the ceiling and one more is there, floor. So in the ceiling and floor, just see, you only tell what is the difference between ceiling function and floor function. Before that, what I will do is I will give the temperature, and then you can see it, what is doing, what is done in the ceiling function and the floor function. You yourself identify and tell me.
Sir, ceiling function is rounding it off to the upper value and
Upper value, and in the floor function, it will just remove the decimal point. Okay, but condition is a see if it is 99.0. In the ceiling, it has taken as 99 only, but if it is 98.1, it is 99. So if it is 0, it is taking the same value, but if it is just 0.1, it is going to the next higher level. Okay.
yes.
These are the small functions, try to remember it. So one more function you can do it. Pi you can do it. I think everybody knows this pi. So this is small function, you can take it. Why it is having the same meaning as the original meaning? Pi into 2. Okay. So you can do the mean of temperature. Mean of temperature.
So these functions you have taught, sir.
Mean I have taught you, yes.
Mean, median also you have taught.
Yes. Okay, so that is done. So tomorrow I will start with the data sets. Okay, so your R basics is done for you. So tomorrow I will start with the data sets directly. Any doubts anybody is having? Most of the R functions I have taken. So most of the R functions I have taken. Additionally, I will share you one R book. You can take it. So most of the like 19, I think I have covered all the R functions. Basics of R is done. So tomorrow with the data sets, then from the next class onwards, we'll start with the biological. Even tomorrow we'll start with the how to create the basic biological data sets. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will send you one book for R that is just for this functions. You can have a look. Anything you want to ask? Everybody has got it. Anybody, and before that, please save it so that this will serve as a code for you. So save it like codes 2. Code 2. Yesterday I saved it as code 1. Today I am saving it as code 2. Anybody wants to ask anything? Anybody who could not follow or could not do during the class? Anjali, are you getting it? Milan, are you getting it?
Yes, sir. I will get all this.
Anjali? Anjali, where is Anjali? Alex, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Chinmay?
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
What does that sequence of pi does, sir?
Sequence, just it has taken first 3 letters it has taken. Sequence of pi, if you give, it will not come anything direct here because sequence function it will take sequence. So it has taken between 1, 2, 3 because pi say is only 3.14. So 1, 2, 3 it has taken. That is all. The sequence function for pi it will not work as such because okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if I want sequence function to take more than like four points after pi value, then I can just increase the sequence.
That you can do it, yes. Like pi into 2 you can do it and then sequence pi into 2, then you can get it.
Okay, sir.
Divya,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
you were you able to do it?
Yes,
Follow
sir.
it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Gayatri,
yes, sir.
Geeta,
Yes, sir.
then who else is there? Haripriya,
Yes, sir, I'm able to follow it.
okay, Jovita,
Yes, I'm getting it.
Prabhu,
Yes, sir.
Pranati,
Yes, sir.
Priyanka. There are
Yes,
2
sir.
Priyankas here, and Priyanka Mukhia.
Sir, only one doubt, sir, that sort function that decreasing, sir, only there it's showing error that decreasing must be a length 1 logical vector, something like that, sir. So only that one it didn't process, sir.
You get sort of temperature or sort of temperature equal to 2.
Sort temperature, yes, sir, that one, second one, sir. Just the second function that we used.
And function is, I gave here sort temperature decreasing equal to true.
Yes, sir. So in that it is saying that decreasing must be a length 1 logical vector. Did you intend to set partial? So, sir, only that one it didn't process.
Why your this short temperature worked fine?
Sir, everything else it came, sir. Only that one it's
I
showing
got
error,
the
sir.
same, but then I wrote true, like TRUE. Instead of T, I wrote true.
True, if you write that is even better.
Yeah.
Because decreasing here it is true. Why? Because short temperature you are giving decreasing, just the reverse. So short function is for the increasing to decreasing. Okay, let me see the error once.
Sir,
Priyanka, you can,
even I
okay.
did the same now as Jovita said. It came now, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Pranati, Priyanka, this Raja Priya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sai Divya.
Yes, sir.
Shruti.
Yes, I got it, sir.
Okay. Okay, Shravani. Sai Divya.
Yes, sir.
Getting? Okay, Yashwanti.
Yes, sir, I am able to do.
Okay, great. Yes. Okay, then I will end the class here. So tomorrow we'll directly start with the data sets. Okay. So basics of R, it is done for you. I will just share one book you can do further to works with the R. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then see you all. Good night. You can follow the video. And one more thing, see here, one plot is generated. So you can zoom it and you can see the complete plot. I don't know, yeah, if the zoom is seen. Yeah, you can see the complete plot using the zoom. And suppose you want to export, there is one export option is there. So save as image, save as PDF, copy to clipboard. So this is just I am telling you because in the future classes you need to save it and need to take it for the research works or research papers. Okay then, thank you all. See you. Good night.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Where is Shailesh? Shailesh is here. Shailesh is left. Okay.